Alright guys, I am out here on the Savage today, and I am going to try my newly restored Hardy Policona rod here, 1926 edition, and water's rolling really good. I'm really hoping to christen this newly restored rod with a brook trout, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll be on them today and give this baby some fight. Who knows the last time it's been used? I have no idea. It was definitely in an attic for a long time. Thanks to my buddy Joe for restoring it for me. Now that it's back in action, we'll see what we can do. Try to catch them up. Oh, you know what? I put my Hardy HRH, LRH, lightweight, excuse me, on instead for now because that's the closest thing I have to a period correct reel. But I'm looking for that as well. Looking for a, between wars, perfect 3 1/4, 3 1/8, something like that. So, but anyway, this is a 150th anniversary Hardy reel. So I figured that was a good choice for now. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. First one on the bamboo. 100-year-old. Oh my. Oh man. Oh, don't you get in that. Okay. Oh, it's in the junk. It's in the junk. I think it's a brookie. Oh, this will be apropos. That's what I was hoping for. Oh man, can you guys see that? Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh sweet. Oops, come on. Nice. Woo. Yes sir. Woohoo. Oh, that's a milestone. Look at that. Beautiful brook trout. Robo brook. All right, very cool, very cool. Streamer Town. Oh, he's got a funky eye. Okay, there you go, buddy. Eye reverse. All right. Sweet. All right, guys. First wild brook trout on the 100-year-old bamboo. How cool! Oh, that's a beaut. That is awesome. Woohoo! Fan-freaking-tastic. Well, this is fun action on this rod. Slow it down. There's a little hatch starting too. This is great. I'm hoping I can get up to a nice little flat area and throw some dries and see if I can get on them as well. That would be really cool. Guys, oh my, we got Crazy Town. I don't know what's happening. This thing's jumped out of the water twice. What is this? Is this a rainbow? If this is a brook trout, holy crap. Holy crap, I think it's a rainbow. Whoa, oh. Wow, oh man. Now this is sporting. This is sporting. Oh, in the basket. Oh yeah. Wow, guys. Oh, that was fun. Holy crappers. Whoa, Nelly. That's a gorgeous rainbow. Man. Whew. Put that down very carefully. Oh man. That was awesome. Holy crow. I think you guys can see this fish. Jeez, look at that. Man, that was fun. Second cast after catching that brook trout. I land this fat stocked bow. Man. Man, oh man. All right. Don't you do the rainbow shuffle. Yep. You are. All right. Getting jiggy with it. Sweet. Now that, my friends, is a beautiful stocked fish. Wow. They do it right out here. That was fun. Man. Get him back in. Wow. Cool. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. Oh man, couldn't hit the power button quick enough. This thing slammed it. I'm not sure what I have here. I think it's a rainbow. But wow. Well, he just clobbered it. Whoops. Dropped the net. All right. Oh yeah. All right. Jeez. And of course he ripped it downstream. Woo. Oh boy. Did that bamboo bend? Oh yeah. Sweet. All right. Nice. Well, that was cool. Between the current and the old school rod, man, that was quite a fight. Wow, man, sweet. Wow. Ha. All right, nice looking rainbow. Get him back in. All right, son. Later, boss. Well, that was quite a fight. Really fun. He slammed it and then went straight downstream, and boy, I was in for a bit of a pickle there, but I got him. So, good stuff.